Welcome to Crypto Live. With XRP nearing $200 and the fact that Kevin O'Leary just said this about it. To find out more about it, stay tuned in this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. However, let us first get to know Kevin O'Leary briefly before we move on to this topic. Canadian entrepreneur O'Leary co-founded SoftKey Software Products, a business selling educational and entertainment software geared toward families. Anthony Pompliano and Kevin O'Leary did an interview in which they spoke about XRP in a funny way, and we're going to talk about it. Kevin O'Leary believes the issue surrounding special asset classes is gravitating towards Bitcoin because it is the start of all these debates. And the notion that a digital currency would be extremely valuable is something he discusses constantly. In his view, Bitcoins are still giant nothing burgers compared to everything else, as he considers the market cap of Bitcoins similar to the market cap of all other commodities and currencies. And the primary reason he believes this is true is that not all institutions are willing to play by the rules. Hence, for O'Leary, it is a nothing burger Bitcoin in that respect, since not every institution will play with it in that regard. Additionally, he added that Bitcoin has a lot of potential in the present moment, but despite this, O'Leary said there would be some institutions that are not keen on messing with it. Furthermore, a lot of restrictions will also apply to Bitcoin, which puts it in a very inconvenient place. And it'll be used by some people, and it'll be used by others, but it still falls in the middle, because even if a lot of people don't use it, if almost no one does, it's not much of a deal. Also, it's not much of an ecosystem if there are only a few places to spend the money. It's more of a little side project. In other words, he calls it nothing. As it stands, he said there's no question that Bitcoin has proven itself the first mile, and it would be foolish to take it or some other currency. And as we know, digital currencies have global appeal, but the regulators will have to agree to their use, and it would not matter where they are traded. With that said, you might even be able to use Bitcoin to buy assets in a particular country, and then everyone would take the digital currency, and then you would have something of an immense value. On the other hand, with regards to XRP, O'Leary has put in a decent amount of effort to pull that off, and it isn't instantaneous, but it is improving. There is no doubt that XRP has a huge amount of potential in this world, where Bitcoin misses out on some things, as well as in other ways too. As for crypto, he doesn't really oppose it in that way. He just agrees with the fact that Bitcoin has a number of flaws in it, and liquidity is arguably the most important aspect of it all. So why does Kevin O'Leary think that XRP is superior to Bitcoin, even though it's smaller than Bitcoin? Obviously, from an outside perspective, Bitcoin seems to be the only cryptocurrency to invest in, and there is no doubt that as a leading cryptocurrency based on market capitalization and overall investor traction, Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency. However, for those looking to diversify their portfolio and experiment with coins that represent a different way of looking at digital currencies, there are several other options available. A good example, a good investment is Ripple's XRP. We all know Bitcoin is a digital currency based on a public ledger called blockchain that facilitates the transfer of goods and services. And it features a public ledger where verified transactions are logged and records are kept. In Bitcoin, transactions are constantly verified and added to the blockchain by miners. Then, on successful validation of transactions, miners are rewarded with Bitcoins in exchange for their time and computing power. Meanwhile, XRP is the cryptocurrency native to Ripple Labs products. In addition to asset exchange and remittance systems, it offers payment settlement, asset exchange, and remittance systems like SWIFT, a network of banks and financial intermediaries that facilitates currency and security transfers. XRP is pre-mined and uses a less complicated method of mining as compared to Bitcoin, and as a peer-to-peer trust network, the company leverages the power of social media. Then, on a network, individual users could open credit lines and make loans to each other without going through banks. Unfortunately, the network did not catch on. Furthermore, Ripple changed tracks 3 years after Bitcoin introduced the era of cryptocurrencies, becoming OpenCoin, a system for remittances where businesses and financial institutions act as counterparties to deal. Then, in an effort to facilitate the exchange of two currencies or networks, XRP served as an intermediary. In September 2013, OpenCoin became Ripple Labs. Additionally, the company says it is a global payments network that counts banks, insurers, and financial institutions among the company's customers. Moreover, in order to simplify currency conversions between different currencies, XRP is used by its products. Despite the fact that they both validate transactions differently, Ripple uses distributed consensus instead of blockchain mining in order to validate transactions. Participating nodes are able to verify the authenticity of transactions by polling each other. With this method, almost instant confirmations are possible without an intermediary. This results in XRP remaining decentralized and keeps its speed and reliability higher than the majority of its competitors. And it also means that XRP consumes far fewer resources than Bitcoin, which is thought to waste a lot of energy. Furthermore, XRP is also faster and cheaper than Bitcoin. In the cryptocurrency industry, because of the complicated and intensive nature of the mining process, Bitcoin transaction confirmations can sometimes take many minutes and can be highly expensive. And transactions occur at very low cost with XRP and are generally confirmed within seconds. Also, there is a fee attached to some XRP transactions similar to Bitcoin. Moreover, Ripple charges users, individuals, and organizations a small amount of XRP for each transaction they perform on the network. In addition to this, XRP also has more coins available in the market. Approximately 1 billion XRPs were pre-mined at launch and are being released to investors gradually. Bitcoin, on the other hand, will never have more than 21 million coins in existence since its supply is limited to 21 million. Further, investor interest in Bitcoin's potential as a store of value has been stimulated by its artificial scarcity. Furthermore, XRP and Bitcoin have different mechanisms for circulating their currency. For instance, when Bitcoin's locations are identified by miners, these are released to the network. Also, its coin supply is mostly determined by network speed and difficulty of mining algorithms, which is not subject to a release schedule. On the other hand, the release of XRP is controlled by a smart contract. Then a smart contract inbuilt into the Ripple protocol stipulated that 1 billion XRP tokens can be released each month at a maximum. Currently, there is around 50 billion circulating. If any XRP remains unused during any given month, it will be returned to an escrow account. That is why XRP crypto coins will not be oversupplied, and it will take many years for all of them to be available because this mechanism ensures there will be no misuse of XRP coins. Generally, XRP is Ripple's currency, and Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that you can trade just like a government-issued currency. In addition, you can buy products and services with these cryptocurrencies. The only thing to keep in mind is that there are only a few places that accept them. Further, companies using XRP, like Ripple, facilitate internal transfers of funds between banks using different currencies. As a result, I strongly agree with O'Leary's XRP opinion. It is evident to me that Ripple has a bright future ahead of it in 2021, especially with the XRP ecosystem development, as well as in the overall crypto market as a whole. As a matter of fact, many analysts' bullish price prediction for XRP at the end of 2021 is $5, despite the ongoing legal proceedings. That is why XRP could reach $10 in 2021 or even $200 in the next few years, especially if non-investors realize that XRP is an excellent investment option alongside mainstream cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. As of October 10th, the price of XRP was $1.17, which was down 0.89% and ranked 6th among cryptocurrencies. Nevertheless, keep in mind, however, that you need to always exercise caution when investing. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.